Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be making house-shaped origami container. You can keep small items or cookies inside the container and decorate it on the table. When not in use, you can also place it like this. To create this model, I'll be using this origami sheets of papers, which is 15 cm by 15 cm square sheets. To make the roof, I'll be using this pattern, and to the house this one. Let's start with the roof. First, keep the white side on the top and divide the paper into 3 equal parts. To make it simpler, I'll be marking 5 cm here and bring the bottom tip to the mark and make a crease. Rotate the paper and fold the paper as shown. Now 15 cm is divided into 3 equally, that is 5 cm each. Let's do on the other way too. Mark 5 cm and bring the tip to that mark and make a crease. Now the crease lines will look like this. Fold the paper and create cross marks on this square and on this square. To create that, bring the top edge to this crease line and make a new crease. Then bring up the bottom edge to the same crease line and make a crease. Now we have the X mark. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. Open the flap. On the right hand side we have single sheet of paper. Diagonal fold, bring it to the center and fold this triangle down as shown. Bringing the diagonal fold to center, then folding the triangle down. Now the roof is almost done. Use little bit of glue to keep the layers in place. Make the sharp fold lines in all the edges to make the model look neat. Roof is ready. Let's make the box shape for the house. For that, I'll be taking same size paper with the other pattern and first marking 1.5 cm inside in both the sides. And fold the paper inside from that point. Make a sharp crease and repeat the same thing on the other side too. Now divide this paper into 3 equal portions. For that, mark 4.5 cm. Then bring the bottom edge to the mark and then make a crease. Now repeat the same thing on the other side too. Mark 4.5 cm. Then continue with the other steps. Now the crease lines will look like this. Fold back the flaps, then make the cross crease lines inside boxes on the corners. Open the flaps, including the top flap, which is 1.5 cm. Align the side diagonal fold with the center diagonal fold. Repeat the same thing on the other side. Then tuck in the rectangle inside. Use the glue to keep the flap firm. Convert this diagonal fold into mountain fold so that you can push back the flap and tuck in the rectangle on the top. This rectangle like this we need to tuck in. So it has to go in the back side. So collapse the model as shown. Then tuck in the top rectangle. Make the sharp fold lines in all the edges to make it look neat. Origami house shape container is ready. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.